Okay, so I'm going to start a tutorial here on binary numbers, what they're used for, and how to convert binary numbers to decimal numbers. So binary numbers are composed of binary digits, and each binary digit can be a 0 or a 1. So a 0, 1 is like true or false, on or off, yes or no. Basically, if you ever remember watching The Matrix as a kid, all of those greens, zeros and ones that are filing all over the screen are the filmmaker's representation of how computers represent information. And that's what binary numbers are used for. Binary numbers are used in your laptop, your computer, your cell phone. Any computer uses binary numbers to represent information and process it. So, how do binary numbers get converted to decimal numbers and back and forth? Well, let's just start with describing the differences. So binary numbers, let's see here. There's a 0 here. We got 1 0, 1 0 1 1, 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. So those are examples of binary numbers, and you don't say 0, 10, 1011, 11,101,000. You don't say that. You say 0, 1 0, 1 0 1 1, 1 0 1 1 1 above, right? So same with decimal numbers. We got 14 here, 100, 5,073, 5, and 99. So basically each digit you have an option between 0 to 9 with decimal numbers, and each digit for binary numbers you only have 0 and 1 as your options. So that is the main difference between decimal numbers and binary numbers. And here I'm going to show you how to convert between binary and decimal numbers. So we're going to use the example 101 for the binary number, and anytime you're converting between decimal and binary, it is helpful to have a table of power of 2, which is what I have here. So let's get started. So the first thing you do when you're converting this binary number, you start from the farthest most right here, and I got it highlighted in purple, and we have a 1. So we go to our table, and the first digit corresponds to the first power of 2, which is 2 to the power of 0. So 2 to the power of 0 is 1, so that's our value. We're going to remember that for later. Then we just move to the left. The next digit is a 0, so false, which means you don't have any 2 to the power of 1 there, which is the next power of 2, which corresponds to the digit to the left. So we have a 0 there, so it doesn't count. And then we just go to the next digit. This is our last digit, so this is our last one that we have to add in. We have a 1 here. So the next digit over past 2 to the power 1 is 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 2 is 4. So once you have all of your numbers corresponding to each digit, you add them up. So our first one was a 1, second one was a 0, and the third one was 4, which was 2 to the power 2. And then you just add those all up, and you get 4 plus 0 plus 1, which equals 5. And that is your decimal value. So 101 in binary is 5 in decimal.
Binary numbers are so much fun. They incorporate zeros and ones. Binary numbers are so much fun.